Can homeopathy help you get off your thyroid medication? It's been done before. Hi, my name is Angela and I'm into all things homeopathy. I also have a podcast called the Health and Homeopathy Podcast, and I have, in doing only 12 interviews, interviewed 3 people who have come off of their thyroid medication with the help of homeopathy. There are 2 ways to skin this cat. One is a Banerjee protocol, and the other is something that's equally as effective, also using homeopathic remedies. The stories from first-hand users can also be seen over at YouTube at the Health and Homeopathy channel. The Banerjee protocol is Lycopodium 200 and Bromium 6C. The alternative protocol is Iodium CM taken at the full moon. You can chat with people who have actually accomplished this over at this group, and you can get these remedies from the link in my bio. Follow for more homeopathy tips.